Instead of using inline styles, we will switch to using CSS. First, remove the inline styles from the game component. Add a prop called className. The className prop is the JavaScript equivalent of the CSS class attribute. Usually, we follow the prop and equals sign with a JSX container. However, if the value passed to the prop is just a string, we can add it within quotes. We will pass the string value game to the className prop. Save the file and then move to index.css. Add styles for the game class in CSS. We will use flexbox styling. We will arrange the layout in a column. And we will align the layout in the center. Save and view the effect in the browser. Move back to index.js. Now we want to render 9 tic-tac-toe squares inside our board component. First, add 2 additional squares to our board. Save and view the effect in the browser. We want to put these 3 squares in a row instead of being under each other. We will use a flexbox CSS layout to do this. First, wrap the 3 squares in a div tag with a class name of board row. Save the file. Now add the CSS for the board row class in the index.css file. We will create a board row class. Make it a flexbox container, arranging its items in a non-wrapping row. Save and view the effect in the browser. The 3 squares are now in a row. Now move back to the index.js file. Add 2 additional rows of 3 squares in the board component by duplicating the first row twice. Save and view the effect in the browser. Now add some additional styling to the square component. Select the text square and delete it. Put an X there instead to mark a cross in tic-tac-toe, then save the file. Remove the inline styles. Add the prop class name and pass it the text value square. Save the file. Now add the square class CSS styles in the index.css file. Make the background color dark gray and the text color white. Add a lighter gray border and make the padding 0. Make the font size 84 pixels large and align the text to the center. Finally, make the width and height 100 pixels large. Save and view the results in the browser. It is starting to look like a proper tic-tac-toe board.